it's Dave here from Little Acorns Forest Schools Limited. Today we're going to be using the auger. Okay, there's lots of different types of auger. This one here I quite like. All right, the cutter's on there. This is a dangerous end. The way that I've stored it is by using a military machete case. All right, the way that you store it can be up to you, but you need to make sure that the cutters are contained. All right, so with anything, when we do our tools, we start off with a tool talk. So this is an auger. This is the shaft. This is the eye. Okay, take the auger out like this. This is the drill, and these are the cutters on the end. I have a handle inside, which I place in like this. I hold the auger like this, and I walk with the auger like this. I hand the auger over like this. Okay. I use the auger for drilling holes in wood. When I'm not using the auger, I place it down on the ground so that the handle faces forward and the cutters are rested on the case. When I finish using the auger, I place it back into the case like that. And I replace it back into the toolbox or designated tool area. Auger. Okay, so an auger, a really good piece of equipment to use if you're making furniture. If you're making furniture like seats or benches in forest school, okay, one of these is going to become really, really handy because it drills a decent hole in the wood. All right, the way that I use it, okay, here we go. So the cutters go onto the stump or whatever you're drilling into. The more pressure you put as you press down, the more the cutters tend to bite in. And as you can see on this wood, it doesn't take very long before it starts to drill in like that. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go through like that. And this goes all the way through. Again, we're crossing the center line, so it's pretty good. Okay, we're working on our core body strength and our grip strength, so this works nicely as well. And that's how to use the auger. So it's the end of our session, and we're going to do a bit of maintenance on the auger. All right, we can't really maintain these cutters on here, so what I'm going to do with this one here, looking at the end there, I'm just going to get myself a small brush from a tool bag. I'm just going to clean all the bits and pieces off there. All right, just use a bit of a stick there to remove that. Okay, I want to try and keep that as clean as possible, but this is really sharp. All right, so you notice I'm trying not to use my fingers on that. All right, once I've done that, then have a look at the shaft there. Might need to use a bit of wire wool on that, just to remove the rust on there like that. Okay, quick squirt with the WD-40 and we're good to go. There we go. Okay, that's that then. Quick squirt on the end, and then that goes into there like that. That goes into there like that. And that's your maintenance on your auger.